Butler Tech's precision machining students are quickly learning how in demand they are after receiving multiple offers from 30 local manufacturers. Julian Cornwell is a student who by the end of the day received 13 job offers.
I'm pretty sure I'm going to take tours of all these different facilities, see which one best fits me.
Some students can already speak to the benefits they're receiving from being in apprenticeship and co-op programs.
I'm using the machines to build parts for robots. I'm building hydraulic pistons, anything within the industrial field. I'm pretty much getting my hands on and learning about it.
I make a lot of things actually. They make parts for Rolls-Royce, Boeing, GE, and some other companies, and we also do some things for the military.
Just knowing that my future is already secured and that I don't need to worry about money and worry about school debts or anything like that. I'm only paying for books as of right now. That is a huge leap to me.
The skills students learn in their labs are a valuable asset to employers.
Our tool makers now are older and there's no middle tier, so we are in here actively recruiting, knowing that our older generation is going to be retiring and we need the younger generation to come into manufacturing.
Learning the lathe and mill and the beginning part of all that can definitely transition into what we would need them to do in the aviation field.
So how exactly do manufacturing programs work for students?
The books, the schooling, it's required by the state, but also Fine Tool picks up the bill for the school. So even once they get done with the apprenticeship program, if they want to go for an associate degree and a bachelor degree, after graduating the program, Fine Tool continues to pay for the schooling. So you could get a associate degree or a bachelor degree for free.
When you get in to sign up for classes, we work with you on what you're signing up for, where it's going to take you, how it's going to benefit GE and yourself to further your education and be better skilled at what you're doing.
Some parents are concerned with their child going into a trade business, but according to John Beske, who's the grandfather of a junior in the program,
it's got a good future to it. And if the child likes to work with their hands and a good analytical mind, it's an ideal program to get into.
There is so much opportunity here. I think people have a wrong misconception. They think we're changing the oil. We're not the guys that bolt the carburetors on. We're the guys that make the carburetors. We put the parts inside the jet engines. I mean, what we do is you never know what you're going to be doing in this field, but it's so high tech and so interesting. And I hope the parents can see that. So much demand, so much money being offered to these kids, and free college education. So hopefully they start buying into this.